fluid that comes out from this part. Okay, so that fluid is used to wet the windshield, and the wiper will wipe the windshield para malinis so that it will be clean. Now in this video I'm going to show you how to refill it. Now before we do that, be sure na naka-unlock na yung hood natin. If you don't know how to unlock the hood, just open the driver's side door, and there is this latch. Hilain nyo lang yan, and then the hood will open. Then after opening the hood, it's now time to refill the fluid. But first I'm going to show you what kind of fluid I'm using. So this is just an ordinary fluid that I buy from the car part supply store. This one cost me 129.75 pesos. So okay lang yan, no? Yung iba tubig at sabon ang nilalagay, but para wala akong sakit ng ulo, I use the readily available product in the market. So let's get it on. Okay, so the first thing that you do is to lift the hood, grab the lock here. See? And then here is the okay, that's it. Now the wiper fluid reservoir is in here. So if you see this icon, it says it's like a windshield with wiper on it. So it says here washer fluid. Alright, so to start refilling it, you grab the handle yan, and then hilain mo yung funnel nya. Grab the funnel, and meron siyang specific latch doon, sasabit yung ganyan. There it is. So it's ready to accept the new fluid now. So let's do that. Let's open our here. It's still new, so it might be a little stubborn. Ayan. So kailangan ko ilagay sa tripod tong phone. What you're going to do now, what we're going to do is to put now the fluid there, the funnel. Okay, so it consumed all 2 liters of wiper wash fluid. Medyo matagal kasi akong hindi nag-top up, so it consumed that much. Alright, so basically you can fill it up, basta hindi lang siya mag-overflow, no? Although may mga markers siya dito, there are markers here, but I don't care. As long as my wiper fluid does not come out of the reservoir, it's okay for me. But as for you, it's your own preference. Okay, so just push this down to lock it in place, and it will be good to go. Okay, so let's close the hood. There it is. Then we test the wiper if it's working well with the wiper fluid on it. Okay, so it's working well. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe to our channel para lumago pa ang ating channel. And please share this video to other users of our Corolla 9th generation, especially to those who are new owners of this car as their first car. Thank you. God bless. See you soon.